I left China in January of 2020 after I filmed the series on a city called Chongqing. Now, as you know, you have seen about 4 or 5 episodes to date on Chongqing. This is a major city in southwest part of China. Approximately 33 million people live there. Well, since I've been back, as you know, in the news, some things have really changed in China, and I felt it appropriate to make this video to explain what the city was like while I was there and to explain what the city is like now. I keep in contact with many of the people that I visited while I was there during the months of December and January. And some of this video I'm about to show you shows the good and happy times in Chongqing, and some of them unfortunately show the current time. This is a very difficult time for China. This is a very difficult time for its people. They have sacrificed a tremendous amount of things. Major cities the size of New York, the size of Paris, even Los Angeles have been fully quarantined, and we are talking major cities. The last time I checked, it was approximately 60 million people quarantined in their cities. And not only that, many of the citizens of China have also self-quarantined themselves to try to stop this coronavirus from spreading. As of this recording to date, approximately 1,100 people have died, mostly in the city of Wuhan. Just to let you know, the size of Wuhan is quite large. It's approximately 11 million people just in that city alone, and in the province area, approximately 30 million people. Many things have changed since I've returned. Flights have been cancelled worldwide. Shops, stores, grocery stores, schools, cinemas, shopping malls have all been closed all throughout China. Even cruise ships have stopped accepting Chinese passengers. Borders have been closed all throughout the world. Flights in and out of China have been cancelled. A lot of the international carriers have cancelled their flights from countries like Australia, United States, Canada, some not even resuming until May of 2020. Factories have been shut down. People have been let go from their jobs to sacrifice the spread of this virus. I just remembering my first time when I got to Chongqing. The city was so vibrant. The town center had thousands of people in it, even on a cold December and January nights. The weather was very crisp, but the element of the city was extraordinary. You're in a city of 33 million people. It's very vibrant. People were shopping, everyone was smiling and having a good time during the holiday season. We even visited the old town of Chongqing, which is about a 15 to 20 minute ride outside of town, on its beautiful freeways and amazing metro lines. Now, this, remember, is a city that is quite populated, but the infrastructure is amazing. Chongqing has over 4,500 bridges. The streets are busy, but at no time does it ever feel massively congested. Now, the city constantly keeps a very cool vibe to it. We also visited the downtown area of Chongqing and stayed there for our first few days in the city to kind of get to know the vibe of the city. Amazing sky bars, beautiful food, and the people are what made it very special. On my first night there, I met a very popular Chinese vlogger who had over 1 million viewers. What I can say about the Chinese people, they were very hospitable. They opened their doors to us. We were invited out for dinner, lunch, many times, even after meeting people just for the first time. They were curious about why foreigners visited this beautiful city. I was extremely impressed by the infrastructure of Chongqing, its uniqueness, its keeping its heritage, its old traditional values, and trying hot pot, which was a very popular dish in Chongqing. Since I've returned from Chongqing, I continue to stay in contact with the new friends that I've made. I also met media contacts like iChongqing. They were very helpful in showing me new things that the average tourist that just visited the city for the first time could not even find in a local travel book. It's been an extraordinary visit to Chongqing. My heart does go out to the people that are still there, who are under a massive quarantine throughout China. It's difficult times. And the video I'm about to show you is of a city of 33 million people in a lockdown. The video I'm about to show you now shows you the contrast of what it was like when I was there in January and December during its festive season and what it is like now. My heart goes out to the people in China and to the people that I met in Chongqing. I pray for you, and our viewers pray for you, that you will get through this difficult time. Please sit back and watch the video of a nation that needs our support. Thank you.